Hi everyone, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. My name is Kizito Njoku. Welcome back to my channel. Please, if you watch this video, share it, subscribe it, and press the bell for more update notification. Guys, what I want to say today, you guys have to know that since our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have announced referendum date, could you imagine that Nigerians, they are not happy for that? They are running head-scatter. Because why our leader have announced it, because of the AU and the EU. I have speak about this in the United Nations. Also, they are talking about this issue. Guys, our referendum is coming on the way. To be honest, we don't need to be afraid for whatever we are doing. Guys, say no election for these people. Sit at home. Ofokazi Day, 16th of February. We can never continue voting. Because we vote, we no vote. They read the election. It's them. They are cleaning us. Sit at home because my Mazi Nnamdi Kanu doesn't want us to die anymore. Sit at home and listen to him. The whole world is watching what is going on. I listened to one video a few days ago about Osibanjo have accident. People videoing shouting Jesus, Jesus. Excuse me, you are shouting Jesus. It's the same Jesus Osibanjo was shouting in altar. Okay, now he know that Jesus there. Why can't he use soldier to go up to guide himself? For the down, he's guiding himself with the soldiers, right? Fine. He thought that life is in his own hand. That is warning God have given Osibanjo, but Osibanjo doesn't know what is going on. If Osibanjo continue like this, the anger of God coming upon his way. Because Osibanjo is redeemed. He can never speak for redeemed. Let me say only redeemed. He can never speak for only redeemed people. Do you tell me that people are dying in my eastern state? Do you know that some of them they are redeemed? They redeemed church? But Osibanjo can never speak. Not only redeemed, even for Christian, Osibanjo is vice president. They can never wake up to speak. Enough is enough for how people is dying. Blood is shedding every day by day. But he have accident, people shouting Jesus, Jesus. My people, why can't we be wise? Why can't we ask ourselves question? We don't wish him death. We don't wish him problem. But he need to wake up and speak for the privilege of people where they don't have the ability to speak. Because he have the ability. He is the vice president. He's also a pastor. It's an shame for Christianity being dying every day by day. Osibanjo was keeping silent. Rather, Osibanjo said that you should pray for them. That is all Osibanjo can say. You see what is happening in Imo State? Now they are using these guys. He's not feeling fine. I can't say he's mad because why? Somebody is mad, can never speak really this word. This guy, God using this guy to be telling Nigeria, he's saying you should sit at home. The election is already rigged. So if you vote, you no vote, the election have already rigged. So what is the gain for we to begin voting? My people, Igbo people, we like business, we know. We like market. They say that we are the smallest China in Africa. It's true. But sit at home on February, this February month, on 16th. It can never take your deliberate away for one day. Sit at home. Because these people, they are planning to come and kill us again. Operation Python 1, Operation Python 2. Now they are killing people now, giving Operation Python dance. They are giving name. And 2 times or 3 times now they are calling them. Now this is what we deserve to be. So why can't Igbo people to listen? Why? Osibanjo is there. People dying. He can't say anything. Now, do you know how many, since Operation Python dance have come, do you know how many people die? Do you know how many widows we have now? Do you know how many men we lose their wife we have now? Do you know how many children lose their father and their mother? Some children wake up and crying, daddy, 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 no more. You will disturb the mother even doesn't know what to do. Also, a children wake up, they're asking daddy, daddy, where is mom? Mom is not existing for nation anymore. So, are we going to continue like this to be losing our life, losing our family, losing our children, losing our husband, losing our wives, losing our mothers? Why can't we devise ourselves? Now, PDP now using this guy, they are calling, say he's mad. Now, they are using this guy doing campaign. But you see how selfish we, black people, we are. Instead of we to find way to help this guy in this situation, but now we are using him making money, come and video to having interview, to post in social media, to be having viewers, to be having money. What kind of selfish is that? This guy have tell you that no election, sit at home. And the election have been rigged. It's left for those who have sense to understand that. He can never make the guy have never speak another thing. He say you should vote, but he have used in truth man to tell you sit at home. You see, whenever we farm, they will come and take their cow, come and clear everything. Our mothers, the widows who doesn't have no help, they will come and crush everything down. These people, if you go report for police, their brother is in police, their brother is in army, their brother is everything, their brother is in air force, their brother is in navy. Where are we? My people, where are we? Now the same people will say you should come and vote. The same people who vote tomorrow, they go for their seat. Tomorrow, if you're passing on the way, they will use their sarim, pursue you away, push you inside the bush. They don't care. If you die, they can't care. Country where I will be, country doesn't have light, doesn't have good road, doesn't have education, good education. Because why? They don't have good schools. This is the country you called me to stay. Country when I don't have freedom of speech to express myself as a citizen. This country I should be. It's not worked at all. We don't deserve this. My people have to wake up. We don't hate nobody. We don't hate Hausa. We don't hate Yoruba. We don't hate Funani. There are people, we are in good neighbor before British have came into Nigeria to bring division in us. We are good neighbor. Nigeria was not existing before. Why can't you tell ourselves truth? Because it's a white man, because of selfish interest, making to enter in our nation to divide us. Now, Hausa man killing Igbo man killing Yoruba, Yoruba killing Igbo. This is how it's supposed to be. Nnamdi Kanu speak ordinary truth. They want to kill this guy. Come and see 28 people, if I not make mistake, 28 people was shot dead, including his dog. In Europe, a common dog with a value dog, you can't kill dog and go free. They will arrest you. You go to prison. Bear the consequences of the dog you kill. But ordinary human being, we don't value life. We value cow than human being. A nation where there is no shame a lot. People die in sea. People die in many places. We don't have good food. We don't have good road. We don't have good water. Because of how environment is. People still believing to these cabals. They don't know that this cabal been deceiving us. We still keep on to be saying, vote, vote, say Baba, say Baba. Come, Nigeria youth, it's an shame. It's an shameful thing. Igbo people, this message is for you people. Sit at home. I want to use this time to greet Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and also to advise him, please, sir. We need help from Mbise. Some radio doesn't reach some of area. They don't listen to the station, please. You need to send your guys, or you send the people taking care of anything concerning radio. My people need to listen to your voice. They need to listen what you tell them to do. There's some place they are complaining. Send your engineer, let them take care of this, please. I want my people to listen to it. Because I know that my people, if they say no, no is no. I trust him to say my people. So, mothers, family, father, friends, sister, brothers, please. I beg you, in the name of Chukwu Okike Abiama, what we eat, we bigger than that. Life is one. Just a day, it can never make no difference in our life. Whether we vote, we don't vote, they will read the election. So it's better let them read the election. Let's stay at home. The day, no election. Say no to election. 20,000 naira can never offer you anything in 2 days. Highest thing, whenever you buy fuel in your machine, eat with your family, my brother, 2 days, you will never remember that money no more. 2 days now will take 4 years in your life, in what you deserve to have. So we can't continue like this. We can't. Since we don't have nobody to speak for us, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the God sent. He's the only person God sent for us. And he's speaking for us. So we have to listen to this young man. This young man leave everything to sacrifice his life, sacrifice everything for his life. Because of me, for better me and you. But we take it granted. Why my people? What is going on? And another one is that our Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, okay, Zibazu, Devo Mahe. These two people can never continue ruling in Biafra land. And he said that if we not remove these 2 people, we are not worthy to answer IPOB member. So we need to do anything possible to remove these 2 people. Because why? They are there, send Operation Python Dance. If they don't allow Operation Python Dance to come, our people can never die. Believe in me. Roger Okorocha was behaving anything he was behaving. I know that one is not a good governor to us. But we haven't seen anybody, when we are doing rally in our home there, we haven't seen any Operation Python, Crocodile Python, whatever they call them. They haven't shot nobody there. Like Okezeba, like Devomahe. So, my people, I urge you, that day, no election. Stay at home. Eat Okazi soup. It's very, very delicious soup. And he pursue evil spirits, he pursue demons, he pursue Obanje, he pursue everything. I eat it. It's a good meal. Eat it and stay and relax. Please, share this video, subscribe this video, share it and like it. Make sure that this video reach our home, reach our people at home, so they'll put this in their mind. And urge other brothers and living in Europe, Asia, wherever you are. So far you are not in that zoo called Nigeria. Please call your people. Call your people. Send some money for them, please. Because I know that hunger is too much. This is the reason why our people taking money from these people, from this cabal to be voting. Send some money for them, please. This work we are doing is not for one person. It's for all IPOBs, for all Biafra code, the whole Biafra in Biafra land. We have to do this work. Those in outside, please call your people. Say no to them. Tell them to no election. Send small money for them. Let them enjoy themselves that single day, please. This work is for all Biafrans, not only one person, not only Mazin Nandekalo, not only Mazu Chemefo, not only other IPOB members. It's for me and you, mother, brothers, sisters, living in Europe and Asia, America, wherever you are living, Canada, Switzerland, everywhere. This work is belong to us. Call our people. No election. No election. And my brother in South Africa, that is one of my friends in South Africa, try to do what I tell you to do there. Try to start it from nowhere. Because that was something you told me. Try to start and do something. Let IPOB to existing there. I thank you for if you listen this video. Share this video. May Chukwu Kikabiama continue to bless us. We say no to this cabal. We need our freedom. And our referendum is coming on the way. So let us to be fearless. We know that they are killing us. But I say one day shall be one day. If they say you should dare to kill us, they'll say no. Because everything have time. We are not threatening nobody. We are not saying that let's kill Nigeria. No, but we don't want war. But let them not push us inside war. We are human beings. It shall be a warning for them. We are not animal. We are human beings. Let them stop killing us. We are just agitating our freedom. Nothing no more, nothing less. This is what we need, and we will surely have it. Thank you, my brothers. Share this message, share this video. If you watch it, subscribe it, hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload video, you'll get it. God bless you. Share and like and subscribe. May God bless you. Thank you.